Well, I made 6 casts this morning and I've had 6 fish on. This is number 6. Boat coming in. So I don't want to get too good of an eyeful on catching fish. So we grabbed this one. Oh, a bunch of them followed in again. Probably could just go straight down and catch some more. I'm going to keep the first 5 today. I think when I keep letting them go, I think that's why the schools are leaving so quick. So once I get 5, I'll let them all go. Okay, the live well is full, so it's time to let them go. I'm going to weigh them all together. I'm going to weigh my net and then put them all in the net and weigh them all in one big pile. And the net weighs 2.2 pounds. And I will fill it up to track 2.2. If I can get it on tango, we will. Live well. I don't know if it made any difference because I put 3 in there, right? 3 casts. And then it took me 15 casts to catch the next one. So maybe my trick didn't make any difference. Ooh, this is a big one here. This must be the biggest one. Look at that beauty. Oh, son. 1. Come here. 2. Oh, another big one. Come here. Look at that beauty. 3. I'll have my own little mini tournament here. See how much I would have weighed in. 4. And hopefully I don't have an extra one in here like happened at the tournament. Well, this one is supposed to be the baby here. Not very big. Alright. So we got them all in there. We'll weigh them all together and subtract 2.2. So that way I'll know. I'm guessing about 17 for the whole pile. No. 15. No, 16.5. 16.5. So that's 14.3. That's almost 15. That's pretty close. Okay, back these beauties go. Oh, look at these pork. Back in the water. There they go. Good as new. I didn't see them swimming down. They almost went sideways. Well, I just caught and released a eater. Well, maybe a little too big bottom feeder, but I wouldn't be surprised this is another one. Oh no, a pike. Huh. It's funny. I caught all bass and then I caught a walleye and northern back to back. And there was a few followed him up. Then I caught a walleye and a northern back to back. Next cast. I think it's a bass. That's kind of unusual. In the same spot. Yep, nice big bass. Dandy. Son. Look at that beauty, huh? Finesse fish. About a 3-pounder. Vertical jig in this. Ooh, I got a snarl in that one too. What we got? Oh, big old black. About 22, 23. Yeah, Well, it got real windy, so I came home early, but I found there's a few spots close to home here that aren't too windy. I got bit off on the last cast, so I put a leader on, and I'm sure it's a pike because it made a. Oh, wait a minute! Did I see whitetail? Made a long, fast run, but I thought I saw a whitetail. It's a walleye. It's a monster. Nah, pike. Got me all excited there for a second. Thought I had a 15-pound walleye on. Got him on my ultralight, but I got a leader on, so I got a pretty good chance landing this one. He didn't like the boat, did he? I wonder if I'll get my jig back. Bit off. I'm glad I put a leader on. That's fast. It's going to be neat to see if I get my jig back. Oh, it's a big pike. Way over 10. Camera in here. That's a nice fish. Oh man, I got excited when I thought I saw that little bit of white on his tail. Here he comes. There he goes. Come on, bad boy. Gotta reel up more line. Take a drag. Oh, beluga. Man, that's a nice pike. Oh, that weighs as much as them 5 bass. I bet. And I almost quit. There was somebody on the spot I wanted to fish. There was somebody sitting there. So I come over here. This is like a backup spot. And as soon as I got over here, the other guy left. I could have. Good thing he wasn't there though. I wouldn't have never come over here. Big brook right here. Come on, you cooperate. Now that made the day. Come on. There we go. Knock the lure off. That is a fine fish there. Look at that beauty. Right by the boat landing here. Let's see how long this booger is. Gonna be more than 36. 37. But look how fat. Put her back. Come on. It's caught on something there. It is. It's all chewed up here from something. And away he goes. Went straight down. Well, after I caught that big northern, I forgot to check to see if he had my jig. Then I threw out and I caught a little walleye, a eater, which I'm going to eat. And now I caught a big walleye. There's about a 25 incher. I guess I'll hang around. I was going to go home, but I'm glad them guys were in my spot. I had to go fish my backup spot here. That's a nice walleye there. I just had one a bite before this. It was going full speed when he hit, and I missed. Must have went 10 feet of line before I set the hook. Measure this bad boy up. Ate on that little fluke. I started to do a troll because I figured that one big pike is in here. There's probably some more. I didn't get 100 feet, and I marked a couple of fish, so I stopped and started casting. And 24 and a half. Nice swell. I don't mind these kind. So then one of my buddies want to fish for them little eaters all day long. Uh-oh. Oh, there he goes. He was just playing possum. Backward. I caught that big pike. No, I got a good fish out. Oh man, there's more down there too. Hurry up. I ain't seen too many on this spot. Boy, this is a big one here. Got him on the bling. They just never give up, these bastards. I'll be forced to stay here long enough. Every time I think I'm going to leave, I catch something. Better use the net. I'm going to get that treble hook in my finger. I was using a 3/4 ounce jigging spoon before with a single hook on it, and I was snap jigging it, which I let it go to the bottom and I rip it, and then let it go back down and rip it. I caught 3 fish in a row that way. They weren't very big, 2 bass and a Waldo, but now that is a nice bass. Here, oof, this is a pig. So I went to my regular bling. Oh man, this is a nice fish. Oh, snap. Look at that beauty, huh? On that bling. Measure. That's a 4-pound fish there. Biggest one of the day. I'm pretty sure. I didn't measure every one of them. Whoa, 20-incher. Son, I gotta weigh this one. 20-incher. These will win you a tournament. I'm gonna weigh them and I'll let you know when I post. Well, that big bass was 4.18, and if she hadn't pooped all over my chair, probably would have weighed 4 1/4.